Ever wasted hours testing different AI tools to find the one that actually works for your task? You ask ChatGPT, then Claude, then Gemini, and they all give you different answers. Which one do you trust? What if you could test them all at the same time, for free? No more switching tabs, no more copy-pasting prompts, just pure, unfiltered comparison. Now, 3 genius ways to use this. Fact-checking AI responses. Ask the same question to 3 different AIs. If 2 agree, you've got a solid answer. If all 3 disagree, time to dig deeper. Hiring the best AI for the job. Need a sales email? Test which AI writes the most persuasive copy. Debugging code? See which model gives the cleanest fix. Stop settling for one-size-fits-all AI. Training your own AI bias detector. Ask controversial questions. Compare how different AIs respond. You'll quickly learn which ones align with your values and which don't. I've been testing AI tools for years. Most are overhyped. This one, a game changer. Try it today. Then hit reply and tell me, which AI surprised you the most? If this saved you time, smash that like button.